Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix keeps dropping calls in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, reinsert SIM. First of all, you will need a SIM ejector tool. So put this tool in the SIM tray and after that press it gently and your SIM tray. Now take out a SIM card. Now now take out the SIM card. And if you want to reinsert SIM, then insert SIM again on SIM tray and pull in SIM tray from your phone. Now click on OK. Now reinsert SIM from your phone. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again, click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps dropping calls in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.